This last dental appointment of mine, my dentist told me that I needed to start using a Proxabrush between my teeth to get the plaque out. And so I went out and I bought myself a bunch of gum Proxabrushes. I myself purchased a 6-pack. I also purchased the cone type that gives you a little bit wider brush because a couple of the holes between my teeth are not small, so I needed something that would fill the gap and get the plaque out of it. Let's open up one of these. Each unit comes individually capped, which is very nice, very hygienic. And the stick itself is very soft, so if you poke yourself, you're not going to really hurt yourself with these things, although it does have a little bit of a pointy end to it. They say the bristles are antibacterial, so you should be able to rinse them off and use them once or twice before you throw them away. But they are a disposable, I guess, single-use type of product. At least that's the way I'm going to be using it. That's the way it works. I don't think you have to be a genius to figure that out, but you know, you never know. My dentist recommended that after I use these, I use a Waterpik oral irrigator. I'm going to use a little coffee instead. That coffee is good. So are these. These are actually very, very good. Very happy that I got them. They feel good and they seem to be doing the job that they are intended to do. So I am going to follow my dentist's recommendation. I'm going to use these after every meal. Really happy that I bought them, paid for them with my own money. Happy to be able to show them to you guys in this video. And I hope you enjoyed watching me clean my teeth. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment. And don't forget to have a wonderful day while you are out there having a wonderful life.